Today's recipe is a quick, simple, easy, and a wonderfully wholesome salad. The name you may ask? A quinoa and avocado salad. Let's begin. Well, one of the hero ingredients of this recipe, of course, is the quinoa. Well, quinoa, of course, is a grain, it's a seed available in different colors. You get the white, you get the red, you get the black. You also get a combination of all these grains put together, all these seeds put together, and that's what is also known as the rainbow quinoa. Now, you don't have to really soak this overnight or anything. You just drop this in boiling water with a touch of salt. You boil this till it literally opens up like a lock. Once this lock opens up, that means the quinoa is done and ready. Let's see the opening of the lock. Let's add in water, salt, the quinoa that I'm using is the white or the blonde quinoa. It's been around 8 minutes on high flame. Let's quickly check the status of the quinoa. Well, this looks cooked perfectly, but let me quickly show you the unlocking that I was referring to. Once this unlocking of the sprout happens, we drain this and wash this under running cold water, and then move on to making the salad. While the quinoa is cooked, washed, drained, and cooling now, let's quickly make the dressing 1 and 2, start slicing or cutting the vegetables. Let's do that. Let's begin with extra virgin olive oil, white wine vinegar, some wild honey. Time to add in freshly cracked pepper. In this case, a lot of it because the rest of the ingredients literally are bland. And finally, last but not the least, salt as required. Remember the fact that quinoa also has salt. Let's whisk this well, and with this, your luscious dressing is done and ready. Let's keep this aside and move on to the vegetables. In the same bowl, let's begin with English cucumber. In this case, some nice and thick slices. Slices that literally would hold shape even after being dressed. Let's add in some pickled jalapenos, sliced red onions, quartered ripe tomatoes, some pomegranate kernels, nice and bright red. Time to add in some assorted lettuce. Beginning with crisp arugula. Well, I'm personally using the lettuce that I got fresh in the market today, but by all means, you can use the lettuce of your choice. Some fresho green romaine. This not only ensures the shape, but also the crisp bite of the lettuce. And finally, Lollo Rosso. Let's also add in the quinoa, which is now cooled completely. And last but not the least, the dressing. Time to now mix all this well. And finally now, the other hero, the avocado. It's very simple. You cut it midway and then turn it around like so. Then you pull the two cheeks apart. Finally, you hold your knife literally like a pencil and you score the avocado. With a teaspoon or a tablespoon, you insert it like so in the cup of the avocado and scoop the meat out. That's why you have these chunky pieces of wonderful, fresh avocado. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Quinoa Avocado Salad, wonderful, tasty, healthy, wholesome, is done and ready. Only and only if you want, you can also sprinkle in a generous portion of some nice salty feta and have fun. Make this for family, make this for friends, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this salad. Bye for now.